That's crazy, bro. This guy's big. I caught him on a hot dog and a small rod. Let's unhook him. Come here. Hey, come. Dude. Yeah, let me unhook this guy. Just set my phone up. Nice fish, bro. Nice fish. Can't complain, can't complain. I was going catfishing. I was about to go home. I was reeling in my rod as a joke. And yeah, this guy just decided to smash that hot dog. Dude. Nice fish, bro. Yee-hoo! So it's like, dude, that's really nice, bro. Actually, progress. I'm gonna let this guy go. Bye.